Lecture 1. What is Tableau and why should you learn it? Let's start with something simple. Have you ever looked at a long spreadsheet filled with numbers and felt instantly overwhelmed? That's normal. Raw data can be hard to understand and even harder to explain to someone else. That's exactly where Tableau comes in. Tableau is a tool that helps you turn raw numbers into meaningful visuals. Things like bar charts, line graphs, and dashboards that are easy to interpret at a glance. It's widely used in businesses, universities, healthcare, and even journalism. In this lecture, we are not diving into the technical steps just yet. Instead, we are going to zoom out and understand the big picture: what Tableau is, why people use it, and how it can help you even if you're not a data expert. In today's lecture, we'll lay the groundwork for everything else you will learn in this course. You will discover what Tableau actually does, what makes it different from other tools, and where it's used in the real world. We will also talk about why Tableau is worth learning, whether you are a student, a future researcher, or someone simply looking to make sense of information in a more visual way. By the end of this session, you will not only know what Tableau is, but you will also see how it connects to your goals and your field of study. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to explain what Tableau is and what it's used for. Understand how Tableau helps people make sense of data. Recognize real-world areas where Tableau is applied. Identify how Tableau can benefit you as a student or future professional. Let's begin with a simple question. What is Tableau? Tableau is a software that helps you turn information, often in the form of numbers or spreadsheets, into easy to understand visuals. Think of it as a smart canvas where you can drag and drop your data to create graphs, charts, and dashboards. You don't need to write code. You don't need to be a tech expert. If you can use Excel, you're already halfway there. Imagine you have a spreadsheet of student grades, or sales numbers, or survey results. Looking at those raw rows and columns can be overwhelming. But with Tableau, you can quickly create a bar chart showing which students scored highest, or a pie chart showing how survey responses are distributed. In other words, Tableau helps tell a story with data. Why is this important? We're surrounded by data. Every time someone fills out a form, makes a purchase, clicks a link, or shares an opinion, data is being generated. But data by itself doesn't mean much. It only becomes valuable when we can make sense of it. That's what Tableau is for, helping people see and understand their data. Think about a hospital tracking patient recovery times, or a small business checking which products are selling the most, or a non-profit analyzing donations. In all of these cases, Tableau helps people turn information into action. Real-world applications of Tableau. Tableau is not just used in tech companies. It's used across fields. In business, it helps track sales, revenue, customer trends, and performance. In education, schools and researchers use it to analyze academic results or attendance patterns. In healthcare, Tableau can visualize patient outcomes, hospital efficiency, or disease patterns. In journalism, reporters use Tableau to present public data in a clear, engaging format. Even at the university level, Tableau is used to analyze survey responses, grade patterns, enrollment statistics, you name it. If you are working on a research project or preparing a presentation, knowing how to turn your data into visuals can make your work stand out. So, why should you learn Tableau? Let me give you 3 practical reasons. Clarity. Tableau helps you take complex information and make it clear, whether you are doing a class presentation or a report. Visuals help your audience understand your message faster. Confidence. When your work is backed by clear data and visuals, it looks more professional and credible. Career advantage. More and more jobs today list data visualization or Tableau as a skill. Even if you're not going into data analytics, knowing Tableau can make your resume stronger. And here is the best part. Tableau Public is free. You don't have to pay anything to start learning and practicing on real data.